Good morning, friends. It's Miss Dennis. It's Tuesday morning. I wanted to talk to you guys just a little bit about measurement, okay? And measurement is when we try to figure out how long or how tall something is. And when we're in pre-K, a lot of times we take things and compare them, right? And we kind of talked about this last week. This one is shorter and this one is longer, right? And so we can compare all kinds of things. Like we can compare an eraser, right? This eraser is shorter than the paper towel roll, right? Okay. But then when you get to kindergarten, you are going to want to actually use something else to measure how long something is. And they talk about using non-standard measurement. Okay. Now, non-standard measurement is when you find something that is the same length and you put it side by side to figure out how many of these things it takes to measure something bigger. Okay. So today we can use something like a dry erase marker, and I can put them end to end, right? To find out how long my paper towel roll is. Okay. Now, we want to make sure that we start the paper towel roll down at the bottom, right? So we want it to be equal down here at the bottom. Okay. Now, I'm going to say that it's really just a little bit over 2 markers. Because 3 markers is really too much, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm going to say it's just a little over 2 markers. Okay. Now, if I did this with a shorter, like a toilet paper roll, that's just about 1. It's a little under 1, right? But because I'm using the same thing, they're all the same size, I can compare these two using markers. Okay? Let's think about some things that you might have in your house that you could use to measure something else. Okay? We have pens, pencils. If they're all about the same height, you can use them to measure things around the house. Okay, something else you might be able to use, and Miss Dennis doesn't have any, but paper clips, right? You could use paper clips, and you could put the paper clips together or side by side to be able to see how long something is. Now, Miss Dennis, if we were at school, we would be using something called snap cubes, right? And Miss Dennis has the big snap cubes, right? You guys have used these before, okay? But we also have the little snap cubes. Now, when I look at this, I make sure that it's down at the same, okay? And then I count how many blocks it is tall, okay? So when I look at this, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for sure. More than 6, less than 7. I would say almost 7. Okay. Now, if I did it with the shorter, the toilet paper roll, then I'm going to say it's probably about 3. Right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So when we ask you to do the measuring, you tried your best not to go past what it is you're measuring, right? Okay. And sometimes it's not going to be an exact number, right? But when you're coloring, you kind of want to stop where it stops, okay? So I'm going to keep giving you guys some things to measure. Okay. And when you color, you have to be very careful We've talked about this. Don't give me sloppy work, okay? Take your time and color inside those boxes, okay? If only part of the box is all it takes, then I want you to only color part of the box, okay? Don't color the whole box and go past what it is you're measuring. Your measurement should stop where the object stops, okay? So I'm going to post this activity, and then I'm going to give you an activity to do with it. And I'm hoping that we'll get better at this whole idea of measuring how long something is. Sometimes it's not going to be an exact number. Sometimes it's going to be about something. As you get older, you'll learn how to measure more carefully. But right now, we're just trying to get the idea that we're starting at the same spot. We don't want any space in between the things that we're using to measure. Okay? Got it? All right. Have a great day. Today is Tuesday. You guys will be seeing videos from the barnyard. The barnyard is coming to Miss Dennis today at lunchtime. And I will make sure that I take videos and upload them for you to see. Have a great day. Chat with you later. Bye.